Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw chlorophyll molecule. Start by sketching the porphyrin ring as 4 connected pyrrole units arranged in a square. Then add the central Mg2+ ion, attach the long phi-ol tail, and finally refine bond angles and shading to suggest aromaticity and conjugation for realism. Use light 2H pencil for layout, HB for details, and layer greens with gentle strokes to build depth and highlight key bonds. Begin by mapping the porphyrin core carefully, spacing 4 pyrrole units evenly and marking nitrogen positions for Mg2+ coordination. Sketch methine bridges to connect the rings, then refine alternating double bonds to show conjugation across the macrocycle. Use a soft eraser to clean construction lines and switch to a sharper pencil for bond refinement. Maintain symmetry and check proportions. Frequently, to keep the molecule balanced, add the phi-ol tail with soft curves and tapered segments, keeping its connection point clear and proportionate to the porphyrin core. For coloring, block in mid-greens across the ring, then layer darker tones to emphasize depth and lighter greens for highlights along bonds. Use a sharpened pencil or fine brush to bring out key bond lines and add tiny reflective spots to show surface texture and aromatic character without overworking the piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.